Hello, welcome to the channel, and today we're talking about how to use different fishing lures and when to use them. First up, we have the crankbait. Crankbaits are designed to dive to specific depths, making them ideal for targeting fish that are holding at particular levels in the water column. The lip of the front determines how deep they dive. Notice how the crankbait wobbles as it's reeled in. This action imitates a wounded baitfish, which is irresistible to predatory fish like walleye and pike. Use crankbait when you know the depth at which the fish are feeding, especially around structures like rock or drop-offs. Next up, we have the spinnerbait. Spinnerbaits are known for their versatility and they're great for beginners and seasoned anglers alike. The key feature of the spinnerbait is the spinning blade, which creates a flash and vibration in the water, mimicking small fish or other prey. This makes them perfect for murky waters or low light conditions. As you can see, the spinnerbait's blade reflects light and creates movement, attracting predatory fish like bass. Use spinnerbaits in weedy or shallow waters, where visibility is low and you need to draw fish in from a distance. Now let's talk about soft plastic worms. These lures are incredibly effective and can be rigged in various ways, like a Texas rig, Carolina rig, or wacky rig. They're perfect for slow presentations and they can be fished in almost any condition. The soft plastic worms' subtle, lifelike movements make fish want to strike. Use them when fish are less active or in heavily pressured waters where a more natural presentation is needed. For some excited fishing action, topwater lures are the way to go. These lures float on the surface and create commotion that attracts fish from below. Whether it's a popper, frog, or a walking bait, the splash noise from the topwater lure can provoke explosive strikes from the fish, like bass and pike. Use topwater lures early in the morning or late in the evening when the fish are feeding near the surface. Now let's talk about jigs. Jigs are incredibly versatile and they can be used in various environments. They can be tipped with live baits or soft plastics and they're excellent for bottom fishing. The jig's hopping motion on the bottom mimics squirrelfish or other bottom-dwelling creatures. Use jigs in deeper waters or when targeting fish that are holding close to the bottom. Let's move on to jerkbaits. These lures have a slender, minnow-like profile and they're designed to be retrieved in a jerking motion, hence the name. The erratic movements imitates an injured baitfish. Jerkbaits are great for clear water where visibility is high. The darting action is particularly effective for targeting fish like bass and trout that rely on sight to hunt. Another classic lure is the spoon, named for their shape. Spoon lures wobble as they move through the water, reflecting light and mimicking the movement of a distressed baitfish. Spoons are highly effective in both fresh and saltwater and can be used to target a wide range of species from trout to mackerel. They're particularly useful in deeper waters or when casting long distances. Finally, we have the frog lures. These topwater lures are designed to imitate frogs and are perfect for fishing in heavy cover like lily pads and weeds because they can't get stuck. You can literally throw this lure wherever you want. Frog lures create a realistic swimming action that attracts fish hiding in dense covers. Use them during warmer months when frogs are active and fish are lurking in the shadows. And there you have it, folks, a complete rundown of some of the most popular fishing lures and when to use them. Remember, the key to successful fishing is understanding the behavior of the fish that you're targeting and matching the lures to the condition. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe for future fishing videos.